this isn't so bad. Yeah, I thought it'd be a lot worse than this. They'll be able to buff this out, no problem.
Man, this is cool, ain't it, dude? Look, drag racing, car shows, drifting, burnout competition, and these suckers are getting ready to jump stuff. How do you beat this? Dude, these cars are fast drifting around here. We see drifting cars, though, drag racing. Gosh, I'm excited. We got to get a drift car now, for sure. I love it, baby. Woo! I bet this thing hauls the mail. It's got an LS in it. Oh, hey. A supercharged LS in this thing. How cool is that? Hey, Justin. I bet this thing will haul the mail, son. Supercharged LS in a mail van. Why not? Dude, this is our style. It's got a rotate in it.
Something different. That's what we like. We like something different.
Oh, I like it. Yeah. Baby, I'm hoping my little pickup will run 9.5. Yeah, I mean, it'd be cool. We'll find out. That's awesome. Our little drag strip at home don't have cars that fast. 150 mile an hour in the 8th. How y'all? Good. Yeah. Oh no. That thing got an LS in it. Heck yeah. Oh my gosh, it really does. You guys are freaking awesome. Hey, these guys put an LS in a freaking Porsche. Dude, how you guys are cool.
What, the other engine went fast enough for you or what?
No, the other end is blue.
Really?
Wow. That's cool. Hey, awesome guys. Hey, an LS and a Porsche.
That's awesome.
I know. It's like so over the top.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
You never know what you're going to see, dude.
I know, LS Fest, baby. That's a big old turbo, son. Dude, this thing's awesome. Rob, you got cards? I got one right here. I got it. Dude, you gotta check out our YouTube. What do you got?
For dessert.
What is it? What is it?
For dessert.
Heck yeah, brother! I'm hungry. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, free dessert on Cracker Barrel. Hey, did we just become best friends?
Did we just become best friends?
Yep.
Yeah, dude.
Yes! Oh, I love it, dude. Hey, nice to meet you for real. Heck yeah, dude. That acts as an intercooler. Yeah.
Oh, in between the.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I got it.
What are you doing? Like,
It's
up
the
on the
thing.
car?
It's the thing.
Hello.
I love being in the
Yeah.
moment.
Flash your lights in!
No, I was watching. I was like, where the f are they going?
Hey, we driving. I'm like, do I go right? The guy beside me's like, no, you go left. I'm like, you sure? Yeah. Okay. We went left. I looked in the mirror and I'm like, ah, they went the other way. We went the wrong. Dude, super cool meeting you. What? Yeah.
I'm
But hey, but Debbie's coming.
You see that? It says grown man shit.
I hear you. Yeah, but you got to shed the motor in. Oh, I don't care. I just put LS in mine.
We'll take it.
Might as well forget it, man. It's finished. Pablo Trillis, can you feel me? Come on, come on.
I like it. Hey. Yes. What? Heck yeah. Hey, give her a card. We just started a YouTube channel too. Hey, you're a little hustler. I like that, girl. Heck yeah. Woo!
Every question they throwed at me, I answered. Chest up, stood up, proved I could handle it. Dude, do you recognize that this be a man raised hell in the street till they couldn't stand it? So they tried to push me out the way and let dude have it. I swear, little dude gave it all he had. But at the
This is like the best thing ever.
He loved it. Well, I get it. It's pretty raw.
Dude, you see a little three-wheeler in the back? It's so cool, ain't it? Look at this van. Is that drag racing? Oh! Having blast. Oh, tears. Oh!
That was close.
All right, we're ready. Oh, this guy's awesome. Heck yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
You never know who you're gonna see at LS Fest.
Helps the rock get
That's
cool,
cool.
boys. That's right.
Sit left here.
Left, buddy. Hey, we're so wore out, dude. Sure. Yeah, it's left. Hey.
Yeah.
We're so wore out. We just stopped the dude and seen if we could ride in the back of his truck. He said, "Heck yeah."
About the tree.
Yeah, about the tree. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's that Camaro. There's their deal.
Gotta get through the gate.
Yeah, I see him. Oh, we'll have to go through the gate, you think?
We'll go under it.
Just stop here, buddy.
Thanks. Hey, appreciate
I
it.
appreciate it.
You're all-
Hey, if you're not subscribed, why not? It's free, baby. You get to see all the crazy stuff we're seeing for free. Love it, baby. That thing got an LS on it? That dog is awesome.
He's so wound up, we can't even keep up with him.